Everyone, it's Tom at Cakeshop Media here, and today we're here to give you another walkthrough. Today's is very simple. What we're going to do is we're going to show you how to remove the TikTok watermark from any TikTok videos you've created. Now, you might be wondering, why do I want to remove the TikTok watermark if my video is already on TikTok? Well, if you want to repurpose it for Instagram Reels or Facebook Stories, then by removing the TikTok watermark, you don't get penalized by Facebook, Instagram, etc. Instagram are well known for stopping the spread of your video if it has the TikTok watermark in. What they prefer is organic, natural content to be created on their platforms, and then they will push it further. If you have the TikTok logo on your video, it just won't go anywhere. So this one is very simple today. All we're going to do is, as I say, we're going to show you how to remove the TikTok watermark from your video so that you can repurpose it for Instagram Reels and Facebook Stories. So all you need to do, you need to go to your desktop browser, go to your TikTok username, your account, your profile. We're on mine right now. And then just select the video you want to repurpose for the other platforms. So we'll select this one here, which is our Christmas Jumper Day video. Let's just turn that down. There we go. So this is our video. And as you can see right here, TikTok at Cakeshop Media. So all we want to do is this. We want to click over here, copy link, and the link is copied. We're going to open a new browser window and we are going to search SnapTik here. So this website, snaptik.app/en, so the English version. And very simply, you just want to paste in here your URL and just press download. So that's now downloaded, ready to go. You just press download server 01 from SnapTik. There's an ad. And there we have it. So if we just click the video here now, you'll see we have no TikTok logo on the video. And there's me doing the video. So now you can repurpose this for Instagram Reels, Facebook Stories, as we've said, and you won't get penalized by the metaverse, if you will, for using a video with TikTok watermark on. So that's it. That's how you remove the TikTok watermark from your video so that you can repurpose it on the other short form video platforms. Thanks everyone. Once again, please do like, share the content, and we will see you all very soon.